Live. Right now, wait there, I won't talk my matter with some pussy. Some pussy what for Ghana there? Ghanaians. Make I just make you understand one thing. You see me, I be boy way, I need to watch. Nobody for Ghana, because nobody do anything for me for Ghana. That's one. Not even my father, not even my mother, not even the media, not even anybody for Ghana do anything for me. Make us survive. Hey, if anybody don't try, if the person don't try, make me fight well, and hear me go fight on fight. You see me? Ghana go shock for me. It be me where I go make the close radio stations. It be me where I go make president stand up and say, Shatta, we beg, stop what you are doing. It be me where Ghana police go talk say, Shatta, I beg you, stop what you are doing. Because I can do it. Many years now I've been singing, nobody pay me my royalty. Nobody fucking ever pay me my royalty. I suffer. Where I dey humble myself. Show respect. That be I come go say I go fit on certain platform, I go fit on certain platform. You know the humbleness I take go there. Or if you say it be musical or or copyright or somebody where you go talk to people, make they sign me, make they give me money for sure. What's I sing banana from Ghana? Nobody ever even think of, oh Charlie, where this guy in royalty? This guy is a good musician. But you people go dey Ghana, the food, the media, the things. I dey talk to people constantly. Say no, let's live as one family and promote Ghana. So if one artist they hit, check how experienced the artist is. Check how bold the artist is. Check how commanding the artist is. Check how show active the artist as artist is. And that be all showbiz. You put the dead. Charlie, you see, one of the talk pan. Don't see him like that too. Pan. Don't see him like that too. Don't see him like that because this is Shatta movement. We will rise. You see, most of the youth I know from Ghana, from Tamale, Sunyani, Volta, Takrady, Eastern region, Camp Central region, Greater Accra. My guy, what Shatta movement go fit do for Ghana? He passed election. What Shatta movement go fit do for Ghana? He passed anything. Me, I love my country. So if I talk say Ghana be village, Ghana be village. Because when you dey, where the media intends you, they do this thing. You even say the president of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, go after him, listen to your radio programs. Or go after him, even listen to the nonsense they talk. You even say the president don't say the nonsense Ghanaians, some of us, we so stupid Ghana. That's why we fly go Dubai and they go try to go holiday. Because yeah, you are not a life flyer go anywhere. Unless I get show. Because I love Shukura, I love Nima, I love Mahamobi, I love Kaswa, I love Ashiyama. That is my tourist attraction. Abowa. Or if you someone say leader, who be leader? You're not to break any rule. I'm not to break any law. That boy, if I don't want to do anything, I ask police permission. If I want to go see president, I try my best and go see. Go see her, even music, and this one when I make I go see. He says something Nana Akufo-Addo. Abowa. It be my birthday. Me, my birthday. We are tweet. We president reply me. When I saw me, go see her. Man, they work, man, they uplift Ghana, man, they won't do things. Then people take Ghana, they talk your mind, they talk stupidly. Stupid, like somebody will know the reason. You see, right now, me, I tell my management, my ever, advise Ghana, mama, meet them. Everywhere they present a radio station, where they talk, where every blogger, where you see me here, I go set example play for Ghana. Make I finish my talk. Make I finish what I do. Ghana go hear of me. Ghana go hear of me. Me not be say I won't go call somebody make a talk from you. Me, they talk my own talk. See me, naturally, I know what I'm doing. Nobody go show me anything. Me, nobody go show me anything. Because I know what is right and I know what is wrong. Fools. But they Ghana, the system, see the way the system talk for Ghana. The whole thing be like, nothing they go on for Ghana. That's why the president will go look away and say, no, we don't have problems. Because we don't complain. The complaints we do about are hunger complaints. Hunger. Come on, Demusa, broke class people. That boy before I will say, me I say, listen to me again. I say I get money past any Ghana artist. Fuck everybody. That money I make it me now I make you know music, it give me that money. If me I humble myself, and I collect money for my shows. My show money where I take make myself. Cause see how many CDs man they sell for Ghana I might take me money? Or how many cassettes? I have witnesses, I have records. My fans know how many times I put songs on Facebook and make it hit. A boa. Mommy chemuka see ya. Or if you say you probably fight somebody. Me I no be that type. Me I no be Sarkozy, I no be Stonebwoy, I no be them foolish Ghana artists where they Ghana. Me am first. I won't make money for myself and my family and my fans. What's here? Who go talk shit and things like that? Like, you know everything for Ghana. Make her come Ghana. Make her come Ghana. You put not fear me here. You don't fear Shatta Wale here. The name where you do Shatta Wale, it not be just name. It not be just name. So make people just not fool with me. Don't see me like that. Don't see me like that. Those foolish people where they Ghana with, they won't do like, yeah. One Shatta movement rise. That way Ghana will see me, I make serious. Because we tired. People, they talk about the system. The way, and jobs. And no. We know if we come together and say, Shatta, how we go to make this thing happen? How you go to make this thing happen? We know the youth. But we did that, then we take something. We take something they play. I did for it. If anything, do things. You see me, I know be the artist where you go for it, they won't flex people. You won't rush people. You want your people say, you do this, you do that. Me, I get everything already. I got fucking 2 rolling on my wrist. That's my fucking rolling. That's a day just. That's I stop perpetual. What do you mean? All you boys say the thing be playing. Because say your artists see they wear these things on. This thing they take by house. A boa. They are gonna make all this money. And somebody go, how did you make your money? I make them true. When royalties they when they pay me, nobody they talk. So me fata say me nam kwange. I fought for my rights. I fucking fought for my rights. Don't see me like that. Don't see me like I did Ghana where I don't know what I do. Huh? The people where they joke for Ghana, made the joke for Ghana. But like I said, if I come Ghana, if they don't talk to these media men, if they don't talk to these bloggers, Ghana, you see, true Shatta Wale, Ghana would change. Me, I know mine, oh, you see me, I know mine. Because me, I make ready, so I go put my life down for Ghana music and go jail. So you see any fight I won't fight, I'm numb. What do you mean? Every day people they can sit ready. How want I music in that should go? How want I music in that should go? How want I mean? Then you don't want to spoil the artists. You don't want to fuck up artists. You don't want to talk about artists. They there. Make her come Ghana. And make her hear face on radio station. They talk now. You see the beating where we got beating for the radio station? You see the beating? Forget it. You police where you go say this thing. Make her hear. Say somebody they radio. Where they talking now about Shatta Wale when I did Ghana. This time, no one miss you. I don't lie you. If I know you say my Shatta movement go here. So this Shatta movement, we can't rise for Ghana. Because we tired. We Shatta movement, we don't want vote safe. The way the system, they have man of vote. I should say some of you where they talk stupidly for there. You know the hung. If me Shatta Wale, they talk to me. I the hung, I the hustle. You know the hung. That's why he did it. He talk stupidly like the system be cool for you. Yeah, you be cool. Ghana be like Dubai for you. Villages. Your villagers where they hunt visa. They won't come America, they won't come Europe, they won't go UK. Villages, Ghana. You can't build your own country, but you want to come into another man's country and enjoy. You are very stupid. Anybody where they Ghana, where you know say Ghana no fine. Like the places they go for holiday and vacation. Where still they watch Ghana like that? They're not person all of Ghana. And I'm saying this to the president. If I wake up and do something for Ghana, because see things where Ghanaians they talk, I'm sure he's not hearing it. That is said, President, Mr. President, Ghanaians are saying you are making them suffer. You are not making things go on well in Ghana. People's jobs are getting spoiled. The youth are crying. Most of them you have taken up life upon themselves. They want to do things on their own. It's the president. Like the way he care about the economy and everything. I beg, if you go fit ban this radio stations and things, it be them they tarnish and they fuck up Ghana. That's why the radio station where they make way football if you go on. Because if you listen football adverts, football or football program for the way they fit insult on our players. Oh how? How? When I own Black Stars, they put them on radio, they throw them back and front, back and back. Hey! Black Star where you get money past radio station. Black Star player where you get money past some people them are family. You can't sit with it up and you go to insult. If you say that thing go move Ghana, if you say when I'm football go for it, say when I'm football die. I don't want me to kill Kesiata, Kwame, Eugene, Kidi, all those coming up, King Promise, all those boys, may they come up. I don't want me Ghana can sport that thing. Ghana, I say let's wake up. It is not difficult to wake up. Let's wake up. Make we stop sleep from our mind. Because see, when we not take care, what go happen for Ghana? What go happen for Ghana? CNN no until go come. What go happen for Ghana? Because people vex, people vex. They they travel, they meet Ghanaians where they can't do because of the system. People vex. So don't sit there and they talk like, yeah, you're modest bakum. You know say you go fit talk my face. Can't talk my face. When I can't get a senior talk my face. I say I know that have something to think about it. Telling me I won't do things. So you see anybody who won't try to cross my line, I go cross you. Forget everything. What's I show you power where you get, I will show you power where I get. A boa. Nonsense, stupid country. Ghana is a village.